and we have come in contact with an alien creature.
We are
on planet Sniffly, known as Cody Smith's house. As I just give you a little tour of planet Sniffly. Now we go back to the alien creature we found on this.
There is life here.
So, what do you have to say about this?
Well, it looks like a dog.
I bet Dr. Berg will be happy about this.
We named it Louis. He buries his head and he snuggles. We can't figure out why. Oh, and he likes beef.
He likes beef.
And
What do you have to say about all this, Louis? Okay, thank
Louis.
you. Thank you for your time.
Louis, come. And it is safe to harness him.
Yes, it is.
Where is
Or else
the
he will
beef?
hate us forever. Louis, look me in the eye. Look me in the eye, Louis. We are having some technical difficulties here. Please stand by. Louis, seriously, look me in the eye. Louis, stop looking that way. Louis, look me in the eye. Louis. Louis, no.
He dances.
Wow, he is dancing like crazy.
Yeah, buddy. Sit. No, sit.
Sit, Louis. Sit.
No,
Sit.
alien creature. Sit. Sit, sniffly person.
Alien creature thing.
Okay.
No!
Pepe!
Hey! Where's the medical supplies?
He's eating the beef.
Where are the medical supplies?
I don't know.
Take the camera.
I'll get him.
Take the camera.